Today we're gonna open the doorbell house. We're gonna see what's behind each magical door. And we have our friends, the audience. We have Spirit, we have Chica Linda, we have Shimmer and Shine, Chelsea, and one of the Barbies from Dreamtopia. And there's Brave with her crazy hair. Okay, today Gigi will be doing the honors. And let's see what's in door number 1. But first you have to ring the doorbell. Okay, there you go. Oh, what's in door number 1?
Mama.
That looks like Monkey Boo. Oh, oh. Okay. And there's Paw Patrol. Do you know her name?
Ty.
There's Ty.
Very good, Gigi.
Roof, roof. Let's see what's out. What else is in this mystery box? That's Woody from Toy Story. Yay. Okay. Let's see what other creatures are behind that door. That looks
like Mommy Pig.
Mama Pig. Yay. Okay, what's behind? There's one more surprise behind there.
I'll put this right behind her.
Okay. That's Donald Duck. I love some Donald Duck. Okay, lock the door. Let's see what's in door number 2. To find the number 2, Gigi.
Right.
Oh, ring the doorbell. Let's see.
Anna.
Oh, it's
Anna.
Anna and Elsa's. No, it's Anna. Okay. We love Anna in this house. Okay. What other surprise? An LOL doll. I wonder what that does. Okay. Let's see what else is behind the door.
Right.
Good idea. I think I see a cat.
Meow.
Meow. Okay.
What's his name, Gigi?
I
Chulo?
Poppy Chula.
Okay. I think we found Anya's boyfriend.
Who's
Kristoff.
that?
Krista.
Yay. Reunite the two. Okay. Let's see what's in the next door.
Door number 3.
Ring the doorbell. Don't forget to ring the doorbell. You don't want to walk in on somebody. That one's a little crooked, but I think it's going to work.
Oh no, what's in this magic door?
Another Elsa.
It's not Elsa. It's
Is it? That's Elsa.
What's her name?
That's Elsa.
I think it's Elsa.
Or she might be Cinderella.
She's Cinderella.
Elsa. Either one. Okay, let's see what else is behind the door. She's okay. We'll name her Elsia and Anya Tati. Okay, and this
That looks like a pee-pee man.
is the original character that came in the box, and he doesn't have a name, but we could name him
Jared.
Jared. Is fine, I guess. Okay, set that aside. What else is in there? That's the
Tiana's friend.
Is that the water fairy?
Yeah.
Oh, yay. I like fairies.
They're my favorite.
Let's see. A cat. She looks like she's from Barbie. Okay, let's see what else.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite. That's a water bottle.
It's a water bottle.
From Barbie's Dream House. Okay.
From Barbie's Dream.
We all need to stay hydrated during the summer. Okay, what other? What's his name?
Rubble.
Rabbo. Oh, ruff, ruff. Okay, what's it? There's something else in there. Let's see.
Mermaid.
That looks like a beautiful magical mermaid.
Wow, I love mermaids.
Okay, now let's go to the last door.
Door number 4. Let's see what's in this door. Who's ready for this door? Are you ready for this door? Hurry, you're gonna get everybody excited.
Oh, it's an alien ball. Let's see. It fell. Oh.
Wow.
That's an alien. Okay, there's one more thing in there. That's the guy from Minecraft. Do you know his name, Gigi? Oh, he's just one of the characters.
Minecraft.
But he's cute, so we'll keep him. Okay, move the house, Gigi, so we can show all the characters. Wow. Those are all awesome. We have almost all the Disney
Turtles.
characters and Barbie, and we have Paw Patrol and Spirit, the best one of all. So this is our first video, guys. If you guys like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And if you guys want to see something, comment down below. If you guys want to see us do something else that you guys are interested in. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys.
Give us some ideas.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.